will be teaching the Python. Now in Python, you can use the Python idly, or you can use the Anaconda suite and get the Jupyter notebook. So for Python idly, look at this particular web page where you will be getting the download option. From there, you can take the Python 3.14 file, the executable file, which will go to your downloads. After downloading it, you can write down Python here idly. You will look for the idly app and then just click on that. As you click on that, so here you will get you will write down here, and the app, as it is not installed over here, you can use it from this particular website and you can download it. So there are two ways you can do it. In your Windows system also, you can write down in the search bar. In my machine, I have Jupyter Notebook, which is the part of the Anaconda suite. Now, Anaconda, you can see in my machine, you will find the Anaconda Navigator, Spider is also there, and Anaconda Prompt Shell is there. So this is the whole system is actually downloaded on the system. So that is why these other supporting softwares are also shown here. So to start the Jupyter, we can just write down Jupyter Notebook. So when we write down Jupyter Notebook, it automatically starts it here like this. So it will show the command prompt first where certain files will be installed, and then it will take you to the browser, and from there you can open the Jupyter Notebook. So this is also a very good application to write down the Python program, as it is not prompting you, giving you the prompts of the command itself. So for learner, I will always suggest you should go to the idly or to the Jupyter. Now it will show you the whole file system of your machine. So you can take your files wherever it is located, or you can go to the new file. From here, you can start with the Python 3, this one also, and or you can start with new Python with the notebook. Now when you say notebook, it is the part of the Jupyter Notebook. When you say Python file, so it is .py file. So here the extension would be different, and in this the extension will be .py. Here it will be Python notebook, Jupyter notebook. So JPY file will be present. So when you click on this particular interface is very good. So here just select the same Python 3, select here, and these are the command boxes which you will be getting. And here you can start writing your programs. Now, when you write on the programs, you can just use these boxes and you can do the run command. Say, for example, we are writing print here and say hello. So, color automatically changes. And when you say run, so it shows you the output here only. So box by box, the programs you can write down. If you want a box before, you can just put a box like this before, or if you want a box after, so you can click on these buttons and get the editor area. So we will be demonstrating, we will be seeing other commands. So this was just an idea that which application you should use and what program you should use. So for downloading the Jupyter Notebook, you have to sign in to the Anaconda, and it will send you a mail to the registered email ID, and from there it will give you the downloaded link. So this is the new thing which they have given. And for the idly, it was normal. As I said, either you can go to the python.org website, or you can just directly write in your system also idly, and it will start running. So as you can see, you will get this particular box. It will take you to the Microsoft Store, and from there you can get it.